channel. I know it's been a long time I haven't made any videos. A lot of things have been going on. A lot of parenting, homeschooling, rearranging. A lot of things has been going on. So just gonna make this quick unboxing video and my first thoughts about this. So basically this box that you're seeing right here is from Jamaican Cravings box. So I always wanted to try one of these box like with treats from back home, with you know little snacks into it and stuff like that, but I always kind of hesitant with trying them. So I decided, you know what, let's give it a try. So this company is different from the one that I saw before, and I said, okay, this company seems new and everything, so let me give this one a try, and the prices were fairly good. This is from Jamaican Cravings, and I did not get sponsored to do this. I purchased it from my own money. I paid, let me tell you how much we paid for this, guys. It was originally $58.25, but we get a discount and it come down to $53.23. So with everything that I purchased into this small little box right here, only snacks, and I think them do have other things on there as well, but let's get into the unboxing. So overall the box is just a typical regular cardboard box, nothing really, because I guess there's no breakable inside, so they're not going to put any pollens or anything. And they have, I don't know why, the reason why they need about 6 stamps still, but they have about 6 stamps here. So stamps are Jamaica expensive, $300, $100, $140. Like I thought it would be like $30 for a stamp or something, but anyways. So it's coming from a Jamaican Cravings box, 70 off HWT, mean halfway tree road, halfway tree road PO box. Sorry for any noise you hear in the background, those are my kids. Kingston, Jamaica, West Indies, the WI stands for. Okay guys, so one of the things that I noticed with the package, it does also have a stamp right here. I don't know if you can see it. It says has been disinfected. So basically everything that they put into the package, I'm assuming them disinfect it. I don't know how them do it, spray it, whatever them do, which is good. But when I received the package, it's been over a week now since I received the package, because I wanted to do the unboxing and I did not get the time to until now. So everything else, everything that is in here, I'm still going to wipe them down and everything before we even think about eating, and make sure you wash your hands. It doesn't matter even though it said disinfected. But anyway, let's get more into this unboxing. Okay, so moment of truth. So this is how the box look on the inside. It has a card and a paper that literally look like them rip it instead of cut it, but I know this year I eat anyways. Okay, so basically it's a thank you note that says, dear valued customer, we are pleased that you have chosen Jamaican Cravings Box.com JCB to satisfy those Jamaican and Caribbean snack cravings. The business tries to achieve 100% customer satisfaction. That is why, for any reason you are not satisfied, please reach out to us via email. Looking forward to serve you again soon. And they have their name, www.jamaicancravings.com. Leave your review. They're also on Facebook and Instagram as well at Jamaican Cravings Box. Yes, so cute. So I am going to go through basically the list of things that I purchased to make sure that I basically get everything that I'm supposed to get. So this is how it looked, everything packed neatly and nicely. I like that. And the first item that I purchased is Bigfoot, a bundle of Bigfoot, mean three into the bundle. So 2 Bigfoot so far. Here's one more Bigfoot, so yeah, that's good. The next thing is gonna be kiss cake, but this is coconut filling kiss cake. I think they did email me as well saying that they were out of a type of kiss cake.
Okay guys, so I forgot to mention, when buying the kiss cake do expire within 2 weeks, and my shipping took over 3 weeks to get to me. So when they arrived, the kiss cake was expired, and I didn't even see that there was a note that did suggest getting the faster shipping, that you probably get it under a week. I didn't even read because I did a very very quick purchase. So if you're gonna buy the kiss cake, make sure you do a fast shipping to make sure that it's under a week and you get them fresh. So they were able to give me a code so I can purchase some other then give me some a code so I could purchase other things on there. I think it was like a 25% code or something. So I'm gonna use that and purchase some fresh kiss cake.
And I think they substituted for something else. So maybe that's the kiss. And I think that's what they did. And I was looking forward to the coconut one, but it's okay, it's all good. So it seems like they substitute that one. So strawberry kiss cake. And it's supposed to be 3 of them. So we got strawberry kiss cake here. Some of them are a little bit smush, but not smush all the way. They look good. So we have 3. And we have cheese crunches. How much cheese crunches? Oh, this doesn't come into a bundle. I think I want to purchase 2 cheese crunches. Kind of crush up though. The cheese crunches and crush up a lot more than the kiss cake. But that has to do with the shipping, not them. We have parrot biscuit. Let's see, parrot biscuit. Let's see, how many did I purchase? So parrot biscuit, but me get in a bundle. Me get, oh, that's why it's the yellow one, the butter one. So I ordered the butter one, but basically give me what they have available, which is the festive one. Still okay, but me personally love the butter one. Chocolate kiss cake. Yes, the chocolate kiss cake is more for hobby. I like it too, but I'm not a big fan of chocolate. So we have chocolate kiss cake here, and what else? We have orange kiss cake. So they gave me more orange kiss cake because they didn't have the coconut kiss cake. So that is alright. I should have mixed it though. They should have given me 1 strawberry, 1 orange, and 1 chocolate. Probably they were thinking. And let's see how much rough top. So rough top, it's a bundle of 3. And here's the bundles. Bundle of 3 rough top. Next thing was cheese curls, which is cheese chicks. So cheese chicks, me love these cheese chicks. Hopefully they're not stale. Them taste good and them crunchy and fresh. A bundle of 3 come into 1 set, and I think I purchased 2 bundles. 2 for 6. So I got the right amount. And the last things that I purchased, hold on there. The last thing that I purchased was toothbrush, Jamaican toothbrush, and it's the hard toothbrush. Over here, with a hard toothbrush. So every time we travel to Jamaica or we have relatives coming from, I always get them to send toothbrush. And they were selling toothbrush on there. I think it's a popular thing. So I got toothbrushes, I should say. And I bought a bundle of 3. Oh, I bought a bundle of 3, a set. So into 1 bundle you get 3, and I bought 2 sets. So basically it's 6. So yes, we're excited for that. Some hard toothbrush, especially my husband. He loves using hard toothbrush. So we get toothbrush, and I got something that I did not order, and I love these. And I was wondering if I should purchase them, but it did come by the pack, and I did not want to spend so much money for it. And these are some candy. These are black cherry candy, and I love black cherry candy. So they gave me this as gift. This is so nice that they did. Something simple just to kind of spice up and make you feel good. So these are all the snacks that I have, guys. These are all the snacks. I'm definitely not gonna eat them in one settings, but I would enjoy them. As I said, hopefully, yeah. These are fresh, cause them are crush up. I wanted to buy one bag of this, but I'm like, no, Shana, listen, just buy something with taste up and something. But anyway, this is it, guys. I'm impressed with everything. Everything I got taste just like how the one in Jamaica taste, because these were not made by Jamaican Caribbean box, but they were delivered by. But I'm excited to test all of these, you know what I mean? I tried to the last time have kiss cake, and this was the thing that I was looking for. But anyway, thank you all for watching. Go and check them out. They're pretty much reasonable. So I got everything right here for, including the toothbrush them. I got everything for $53, and I think, I'm not sure if I have a code for you guys, but if I do, I will link it below, so you probably can get 10% off or something, you know what I mean? So yes, that is it. May I go wipe these off and sanitize them same way and enjoy them later. So alright, thanks for watching. My God, later.